Hi everyone. Here I would like to introduce my guru, the world's best breeder, Pradeep Singh Raol, next to me. And it was a very delightful day for me meeting him up. And these are the world's best Jafrabadi buffalo. That's a pride moment to stand next to it. And that's Dharaniyo for you. And now I would like to introduce Dulio, one of the world's #1 Kankrej bull, which is available at Sagwadi Goshala. And here I take a pride note to introduce the next world's #1 bull, that's Marcelo. See the way he is, his face, the short face, horns, his structure, the length. That's awesome. This is a kind of a breed that you would be able to see only in Saguardi Goshala. And here I would like to introduce one of the world's #1 bull, that's Nand, Rupano Nand. And see the way this guy is. He's very giant, his arms, his hump, his body texture, face, legs, and every offspring that he provides is also as good as he is. Here I would like to introduce the ephus of Jafrabadi. Last but not least, I would like to show you how Masala would look. The next world's #1 bull, that's Masala. He is Nand. And the best part out here is I have Nand's heritage in my farm. I bought one of Nand's son. And these are all the quality of cows that Sagwadi Goshala has.